Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with a haul from the new ColourPop Hocus Pocus collection. This one is called the Coven Crew, and I got everything from the collection. I'm so excited to show you, so let's get started. Now, if you're new to my hauls, this is how I do it. First, I talk about the collection, my experience shopping it. I'll show you the pieces, swatches. I'll give you a tutorial of a look, this one that I have on right now, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts and review. If you aren't aware, ColourPop released a Hocus Pocus collection last year, and it included the Gather Around Sisters palette. This is it right here. I absolutely love this palette. I reached for this way past Halloween because I just really love these deep purples and the browns and the dark greens. So this is totally my color scheme. So I absolutely love this collection. I love the palette. I love the collection in general. I did a review for it and I will link to it down in the description box below. And this year they re-released it along with this new collection, which is really fun. Now, unlike last year, this release was much smoother. I had no issues shopping this collection. I actually bought the entire collection, which was $99. It came with all of the makeup, the mirror, and the black flame candle, which I am really excited about. Unfortunately, I don't have it with me because the candles are being shipped separately. So unfortunately, I can't show you those, but I'll show you everything else. First, I'll show you the mirror. This is the packaging for it, and it says, "I shall always be with you." Here's Binks. That line is from Binks. And here is the mirror itself. Very cool. This is like an orangey glitter vinyl on it, and it says, "I shall always be with you," with some stars, the moon, and then it says ColourPop. There's Binks again. And then it came with 3 lip products. These are Fresh Kiss lip creams, and they come in 3 shades. So the first one I'll show you is the Tonight We Fly, which is the Winnie one, and that is actually what I'm wearing right now. It is this deep berry purple. Really like this, and it has a little glittery Winnie right there with the stars and the moon. Then we have Hello Boys, and that is Sarah's. If you're a fan, you know that's Sarah's line, and this one is a black lip product. I don't have any black lipsticks, so really excited to add this one to my collection. And again, we have Sarah with the stars and moon in that orangey vinyl. And then last but not least, we have Mary's lip product. This one is called Calming Circle. And this one is a gorgeous nude, and this one is my favorite. It's not only just a beautiful color, but it's a beautiful everyday color. So absolutely my favorite from the lip products. And of course there's Mary in the vinyl, the orangey vinyl. One cool thing that they released in this collection is this. This is the Spider Cutie Mark face stamp. These are so cool, so cute. I love jazzing up a makeup look with stickers and stamps, and I love this little spider version. Another neat thing about this is that it can cover up any little blemishes you may have, which is what I did right here, as you'll see in my makeup tutorial. So handy, cute, and just a really nice topper to a look. This collection also came with the Trouble Brewing Super Shock Shadow Trio. I love the packaging. I love the packaging of all this, by the way. I love that they include things from the film like the broom, the vacuum, and the mop, which is what the witches travel on, the Sanderson sisters travel on. You have the black flame candle, you have the Binks, you have the cauldron, you have the eye, you have the book. Yeah, it's just really neat. I love when brands put a lot of thought into their packaging, especially with collections, special collections like this, where there's such a huge fan base. Like, I'm a major Hocus Pocus fan, and so I really appreciate those touches. So anyway, here is that trio of shadows. Again, neat packaging. So you have this outer packaging with the 3 sisters. You have this with the little holes, and then each shadow has a little stamp, a little vinyl thing on it. So this one is a moon, a skull, and an eye. Now these I am not going to swatch for you just because I am not a big fan of individual shadows. I would just rather have a palette. So rather than me swatching it just for the sake of swatching it and maybe not using it very much after that, I'm going to include this in a giveaway which I'll talk about more at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. And then last but not least, we have the palette. This is the Witching Hour palette, and like last year, the packaging looks exactly like the palette itself. So here we have the three sisters flying. We have the houses. This is like really beautiful packaging, really, really pretty. And then on the back, on these little cat heads, we have the names of the shadows. Another neat touch is that on the mirror, we have this little cutout of the sisters right here. That's a cute little neat touch. And it says, "I put a spell on you." Love that. And here are the actual shadows. This one is 12, and as you'll notice, the size is different from last year's. Last year's palette is larger and has 3 more shadows than this one, so I want to make sure that I note that difference here. The color stories, similar but not the same. This one has deeper purples, deeper browns, and deeper greens. This one still has the purples and browns and the greens, but they're definitely different color tones. Alright, now let me show you how I created this look using these products. I'm going to start by applying All Hallows Eve to my brow bone. Then I'm going to apply Moon is Round above my crease. Then I'm going to apply Hello Billy to my outer crease in V strokes. And then I'm going to blend it across my crease. Then I'm going to apply the same shadow across my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with Hello Billy just to deepen that outer corner. Then I'm going to apply Twist the Bones to my lids. And once again, I'm going to go back in with Hello Billy just to deepen that outer corner. Then I'm going to apply 300 Years to the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to apply mascara. For my lips, I'm going to apply Tonight We Fly. And as a final touch, I'm going to add a spider cutie mark to my cheekbone. And here is my final look. I am a huge fan of purples. If you guys have been subscribers of mine for a while, you know that. And I'm happy to share that these shadows do not disappoint. I found them to be very pigmented and easy to work with. They blend really well. And yeah, I love this look. I didn't want to add too much because when I do these videos, these hauls, and especially when there's a lot of products from one brand, I want to make sure I keep the focus on the products themselves. So I haven't added any lashes, I haven't added any liner. This is all, you know, the shadow and just the mascara, just so that you can see what you can do with this look, with these products. As far as lip products, I do notice that they tend to feather or smear a little bit around the edges, so just be prepared to either use a liner and or clean it up with concealer or a Q-tip or something like that. But I do love the colors. I mean, they're extremely pigmented and buildable, so I really like that. Like solid products, so very good products, especially for the price point. And you guys know that I love the lipsticks last year, so I would recommend both. Really depends on what you're looking for. I love the lipsticks. I love all three reds, and those came with liners. These products are still super pigmented and really good and fun to have. If you don't have a black lipstick and are a big fan of Hocus Pocus, why not? This is a gorgeous fall color, and the nude is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Could not recommend that one more. As far as the palettes, I love them both. You definitely get more shadow with this one. It's obviously larger, and you get 3 more shades with this one. I love this one, I really do. But if you don't have these colors and are a big fan of the movie and are a collector, then I could also, I definitely recommend this one too, because the colors are gorgeous, the finishes are beautiful, pigmented, quality, and a great price. So you can't, you don't lose with buying either one. And if you're a fan of the film and you want to buy both, go ahead and buy both. If you can do it and like the shades, then go ahead. I have them both, and I'm super happy that I do. As far as the shopping experience, it was a breeze, super easy. Some of these products are actually still available on the ColourPop website, so check out the description box below where I link to the website where you can pick up these products. Again, many of these are still available, so hurry up and snatch these up before they sell out from either collection. I loved both, I really do. I don't like one more than the other, but if I had to choose a palette, probably last year's, just because those colors and tones, and I just love them. But I love these two. These are beautiful. I mean, I love this look. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you the Black Flame candle because it hasn't arrived yet, but if you follow me on Instagram, I'll definitely show you there. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, now's a perfect opportunity to pull out your phone and go to @JESSICAYFLORES and click that follow button so that you can see all my updates from there. I post some things exclusively on there that I don't share on YouTube, vice versa. Same thing with Facebook. I have a newsletter, so check all that out in the description box below. So yeah, I just love these products. Are you a fan of the film? Did you pick up anything? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the giveaway. Entering my giveaways are super easy. Just check out the description box below where I will link to a blog post that has a raffle copter. Now, all you have to do to be eligible to enter my raffles is be a subscriber on YouTube and join my newsletter. Now, on top of that, I offer multiple ways to earn extra entries. You don't have to do any of them or all of them at all. Those are just extra entries that you can have. You can earn extra entries by following me on Twitter, following me on Facebook, leaving a comment on an Instagram post, etc., etc. For the giveaway, I'm giving away all of the makeup products from this collection. The lip products, the stamp, the trio, the palette, all of that will be given to either one lucky winner or I'll separate them into two. You guys let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer to have one winner win all of the makeup products or for me to divide it and have two winners? Let me know what you prefer. Please use the comment section below to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Click or tap right here to watch my last video or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.